Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are well, good, healthy, inshallah. So, we already completed 6 chapters, alhamdulillah. So, we are going to start today new chapter. Lesson 7, Introductions to MSW logo. MS Microsoft Word logo. Logo means language of computer. Graphic oriented, language of graphic oriented. So we will start the chapter. What we will know about this, what we will get in this chapter. So this learning object, start MSW logo means language of computer. Identify the component of logo screen. You know, very familiar components, right? Use the component buttons. Type commands in MSW logo and exit. Okay, then start the introductions to MS logo. So you all know that computer is an electronic machine. Everybody knows from the first class, computer is an electronic machine, computer is an electronic machine. So this is repeating every chapters. It does not understand our language. You give instructions to the computer for doing some work. If you say, computer, go and bring water for me, it's possible? No, it's not possible, because it's a thing. We are human being, we can understand. If I say to you, do this work, you can do easily, but the computer, we have to fit according to the computer language. Then if we press enter, so we already gave the instructions in the command in the computer. You have to go to the next line. So whenever you press enter, it automatically going next line. Space, giving space bar, we already fit the computer language. When the space bar is coming, you should give the space like that. So these sets of instructions given to a computer is a program. Logo is a simple computer language. Logo can be used to do many things like drawing pictures, typing text, calculate on number, etc. on the computer. The full form of logo is language of graphic oriented or logic oriented graphic ornament oriented. Just like your pencil, logo use a pencil for drawing which appear like a triangle on the screen. Let us study about features of computer. See, its identification mark is like a triangle. We are using pencil for writing, but here we are writing like a triangle shape. It's a pencil of computer logo. Okay, how to start, how you will go to MSW logo? Let's see. To start logo, do the following step. First step, click on start button. Here we already given like start button in the computer left side. Click all programs. Given instructions, if you follow, you will read easily. Then like this is one menu will coming. Click on MS logo application, steps to open MS logo. Then third one, click Microsoft Windows logo. A new windows appear on the screen as shown in the figure below. See, first when you go to start button, like this is coming. After that you will go to application, all programs, you will go all programs here. Then after that it will come like this. Then after that what you will do, you will press the enter. Okay, okay, to start Microsoft Windows logo, see here the MS W logo screen appear on your computer. See the like this screen is coming on the computer when you open the MSW logo. So here some are components are there. See here title bar, after that mini screen, horizontal scroll bar, commander windows, command input box, then after that recall list box, command buttons, scroll bar, vertical scroll bar and turtles playground. Here is the menu bar. Okay, so MSW logo screen contain two parts. Main screen means title playground, then commands. After that you will come components. I told you here is the components. Main screen is like the turtles playground. A small triangle shape. See, can you see the triangle shapes here and here, both side, here and here. This is the triangle shape appear in the center of main screen. This small shape triangle is called turtle. The turtle moves on the screen. When you type some instructions, means we are giving the do like that, like this is the instructions. In the commands input box, these instructions are called commands. We are ordering. Commands means we are ordering, not by voice. We are commanding by using the typing. If you want apple, you will draw the apple picture, it will come like that. Commands. Logo commands are also called logo primitive. Another name of logo command, logo primitive. Okay, then come to the next. You use a pencil or pen to draw on computer. Similarly, turtle also carry a pen. When the turtle move on the screen, it draw a line by the help of instruction, which you type in the command input box. See here is the title bar. Title bar depend on the three things. Let's see. Title bar. This bar is present at the top of the main screen. It's display the title of the file. So after that, you can see here is this is the title bar, blue color line, title bar. It has three buttons: minimize, restore and close button. Come to the menu bar. Menu bar consists of a list of MSW logo menus. Menus consist of a list of options that are used to do different type of work. See here, this is the one line is there. It is a menu bar. So come to the down, home of turtle. When you start logo, turtle is in the center of the logo screen. It is called as home of turtle. When you start logo, turtle is in the center. See, the triangle shape, it is in the center when you will start logo. Okay, then come to the scroll bar. Main screen consists of two scroll bar, horizontal scroll bar and vertical scroll bar. Horizontal scroll bar is used to move turtle left and right. Scroll bar. Vertical scroll bar is used to move turtle up and down. Horizontal move left and right. Please keep in mind, horizontal scroll bar left and right, and vertical scroll bar up and down. Okay, then commander window. This window is placed from the where command are given. The commander windows has two boxes, command input box and recall list box. See here is the recall list box, and here small white plain area, it is called command input box. Okay, here is the skewed button. So I have to continue the class because we cannot give the lengthy lecture. So after that again I will continue the next link. Okay dear, till you just read it and try to understand from book. Okay.